On the 24th of March, we embarked on a journey to Malta, an island smaller than Singapore in the Mediterranean. Lesser known to most in Asia, we didn't know what to expect from Malta's culture, the food, and its people. We arrived in the morning of the 25th, and as far as first impressions count, we knew that Malta was like no other European country. Next morning, breakfast was a scrumptious platter and a crispy Maltese bread filled with tuna called frittata, before heading off to see the ancient Taxian temples and Malta's capital, Valletta. Malta's roads are known to be infamous, with impatient drivers and extremely bumpy roads, but we couldn't resist the challenge. So with our rented car, off we went to explore the 8th century fortified city of Mdina and the most southern point of Malta, the Dingley Cliffs. Popeye's village is an actual movie set of the old Popeye film starring the late Robin Williams. Unfortunately, due to the rain, we couldn't enjoy the theme park as much as we wanted to. We found ourselves heading to Malta's sister island Gozo via a ferry which could also transport our car. In Gozo, we tried out a very traditional pizza shop called Mashok Bakery. Malta is truly an amazing Mediterranean island with much to do despite its size, and we felt like we've only scratched the surface of its culture, and we're very sure that we will be back here in the near future.